Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can reset your phone and get in. Well, you can see that we forgotten our unlock pattern. This can be pin, this can be password. I'm going to show you exactly how we are going to resolve this issue. Well, this is a A70 as you can see here. So guys, what we're going to do, we are going to hold the volume button and the power button, and you can see the power off button came up, but we can't power off the device. We need the pattern to power off the device. So what we're going to do, we're going to hold these two buttons, volume down and power button. Keep holding these buttons, just keep holding. When the device turn off, you want to switch your fingers, so you switch your fingers to the volume up, and what you need to do here, you need to release the power button. Then you are into the recovery mode, and we are just going to navigate, and we are going to do a wipe data factory reset. Ensure that you know your Gmail account before doing this, as it will ask for your Gmail account. So make sure you know your Gmail account before doing this. We are going to perform a factory reset, and the factory reset is completed. You can see here it says wipe data completed. So now we are going to reboot the system now. And also bear in mind, in doing all of that, you need to use the volume up and down to navigate, for those of you who are doing this for the first time. So our phone should be resetted, and you will lose all data on top of your phone as well. You want to skip? So that's how you do it.